being here today. Let's create the future together.
Stop wasting years learning English. Inspired by Jack Ma. Have you ever studied English for many years, but still felt nervous when speaking? Maybe you know grammar. Maybe you understand some videos. But when it is time to speak, your mind becomes empty. Many people feel this way, and slowly, they begin to believe, maybe I am not talented. Maybe English is too difficult. Maybe I am too old. But that is not true. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is your method. Many people spend years learning English the wrong way. They memorize grammar rules. They translate every sentence. They wait for perfection. But language does not grow through fear. Language grows through use. Slowly, naturally, every single day. Jack Ma once said that when he was young, he was not the smartest student. He failed many times, but he kept learning. And that is the important lesson. Success is not about being perfect immediately. It is about continuing when things feel difficult. Many English learners quit too early. They study for 2 months, then stop. They watch one motivational video, then disappear. They become excited for 1 week, then lose discipline. But fluency is not built in one night. It is built quietly, like planting a tree. First, nothing happens. Then slowly, the roots begin to grow. And one day, people suddenly notice the tree. But they did not see the years of silent growth. English is the same. You do not need to become perfect this month. You only need to improve a little every day. One new phrase, one podcast, one page, one conversation. That is enough. Many people make another mistake. They are afraid of embarrassment. They think, what if I speak incorrectly? What if people laugh at me? What if my pronunciation sounds strange? But listen carefully. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every confident person once felt insecure. Mistakes are not proof of failure. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Children do not become fluent because they know grammar. They become fluent because they are not afraid to try. They repeat words again and again, without shame, without fear. Adults often lose this courage. They become too careful, too afraid, too focused on perfection. But perfection is dangerous. Perfection stops action, and action is the real teacher. If you truly want to improve your English, stop waiting to become perfect. Start speaking now, even slowly, even imperfectly, even with mistakes, because confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action. Another important lesson is this: do not compare yourself to others. Some people learn faster. Some people speak more naturally. Some people have more opportunities. That is okay. Your journey is your own. A flower does not compare itself to another flower. It simply grows, and you should grow too, quietly, patiently, one day at a time. Social media makes many people feel behind. You see fluent speakers online, beautiful accents, perfect sentences, and suddenly you feel small. But remember, you are seeing their highlights. You are not seeing their years of confusion, their mistakes, their fear, their failures. Behind every successful person, there were many invisible struggles. Do not let comparison destroy your motivation. Focus on your own progress. Even small progress matters. If you can understand a little more than last month, you are already winning. If you can speak a little more confidently, you are already improving. Small steps become big results. Slowly, quietly, powerfully. There is another thing many learners forget. Learning English is not only about language. It is also about identity. Many people secretly believe, I am not good enough. And because of this belief, they stop themselves before they even begin. But language is not for special people. English belongs to anyone willing to practice. You do not need to be rich. You do not need a perfect school. You do not need expensive courses. What you truly need is consistency. 10 minutes every day is stronger than 5 hours once a month. Consistency changes the brain, little by little. That is how real growth happens. Not through pressure, but through repetition. calm repetition. And maybe right now you feel tired. Maybe progress feels slow. Maybe you feel frustrated. That is normal. Do not hate yourself for learning slowly. Slow growth is still growth. A mountain is climbed one step at a time, and fluency is built the same way. So today, stop wasting your energy on fear. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop believing you are too late. You are not late. You are simply growing at your own speed. And that is okay. Speak more. Listen more. Relax more. Trust the process more. One day you will look back and realize the English that once felt impossible has become natural. Not because you were special, but because you refused to stop. And maybe that is the real secret of success. Not talent, not perfection, but persistence. Quiet persistence. Every single day. So take a deep breath, open your mind, and continue your journey slowly. Your future self will thank you.